there, my wonderful people. Greetings from Family Chef to you. Greetings and blessing. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to eat egg. Okay, you're tired of eating plain egg? Let me show you a simple way to make a delicious, healthy egg breakfast. I have my 3 eggs here. Okay, I have my cayenne pepper. I always use cayenne pepper. It's very healthy. Google it. I have my all complete season here. I have 2 different kinds of onion, green part here and the white part. I have my cheese, that's optional. I have my bell pepper, any color you want, okay? So bear with me in a minute. Let's see how we are going to put everything together. I have my tomatoes, okay? Let's see how we are going to put everything together. Everything is being washed and cut already because of the time. I'm cutting my tomatoes. It's been already washed, right? Let's do the next one. If you don't have glass to do it, you can go through knife. You can run your knife through like this. So we have our tomatoes rings here. Let's see how you put it. Even if it's open, it's okay. You can put it like that. Now we have our ring tomatoes here. Let's put it aside. Don't throw this out, okay? This you don't have to throw it out. You cut it in pieces. Now it's time to crack our egg. We have our green onions. I have my cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is good, use it. I have my complete seasoning, half teaspoon. Let's put a lot of salt. Let's put 1/4 cup of milk. It's optional. You don't have to put the milk, but you put the milk to make the egg fluffy. Please, this is optional. You don't have to use it. Nut milk. I love nut milk, so I put it everything I eat. Now we have our pan here. Let's drop more olive oil. Need to put these onions here. Then put the rest of the pepper. For only 3 minutes or 4 minutes because we are going to cook it again. Follow salt. We are not putting the tomatoes, okay? The tomatoes will go in fresh. Therefore, saute for 4 minutes. Let's put the pepper here. Okay, our egg mixer is ready. Before we saute the eggs, we have our tomatoes rings here. We have the pepper, the sauteed onion. We have our butter. Okay, do you remember our fresh tomatoes? I told you we are going to use it fresh, so that goes in the egg mixer. Okay. You don't want to saute the tomato. We want it fresh. The pepper, the sauteed pepper goes in the egg too. We have our salt and pepper and everything in. So egg mixer is ready to fry. Let's see how we're going to fry with it. This ring will be so delicious. Just take butter, 1 teaspoon, goes in the pan. Our tomatoes go in. Look appetite already. It's okay if some of the egg boil over here, okay? You can leave it like that. So we are going to put our cheese. Do you remember the cheese? Like I said, it's optional. You don't have to put cheese. Right? This cheese will go top of the egg. Going to cover it, let the cheese melt, and we see how we're going to eat it. You see this one here? Because I did not put cheese, I'm going to turn it over. See, I turned that over. So like I said, if you don't like cheese, you turn it over. But if you like cheese, just let the cheese melt. The pepper and the onions is sauteed already, so it's cooked. All right. So this time I'm not going to turn it over because of the cheese. I'll cover it and let it melt. Another tip, if you think the cheese is gonna take time to melt, you just turn it over. It's ready. Now the egg is done. Let's transfer to our plate. Okay guys, this is chop time. This is without cheese. This is with cheese. How the cheese melts. My goodness. When you have your toast, let's make a toast. I have my bagel toast. It's fresh toast, like cut a little butter. Oh my goodness, this is very good breakfast, I tell you. When you wake up in the morning, you are bored, you just eat plain egg, and it's what you are getting tired of it. Try this breakfast. You see, the egg that I didn't put it in the tomatoes ring is still here, so you still have your fried egg with tomatoes and everything. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my video, okay? Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family Chef, healthy breakfast.